Hi, I'm Jim. Welcome to Time in Johnstown. It's March 21st, 2022. Just got done delivering some oil. I got a service call. A lady called, says she has no heat. She does have hot water, but it's probably, she has a boiler mate, and they hold the heat for quite a while, so her heat might have been off for a while. So, I don't know. We'll go over to check it out, see if I can get you maybe a quick video or something of it, and see what's going on. We'll get her going. Alright, I got a little Weil McLain 4-section. All the zones are calling. Everything, I can hear this. Sounds like there's one layer in it. Well, I think what we got is Aquastat's bad because I don't think it's putting any power. Trip it out and it doesn't, so let's see what we got here. Yeah, the Aquastat's not putting out anything to the burner. That's what it is. We got to change the, oh, that's a, yeah, no, it's just a 1017. So we'll go out in the truck and get one. Put it in. All right, 2 end switches off the zone controls, and got this on. There was one wire that wasn't being used. One thing about these aquastats is they always set these things way up, and if you're not careful and you don't set them down, as you can see, so I bring it down because I like to run it. I'm going to leave this off. That should light when I hit the power. Ta-da! And it ignites. So we're going to be changing this spring. This is Radiant baseboard. This is a European style system, and these are actually the zone valve heads. You want to talk about expensive? Because I put all them on there. That. This is the supply. But I made this to go in place of it. And so we're going to do that in the month of May. So we got the heat on. As a matter of fact, that's going out warm already. So there must have been a little heat left in that boiler. Which is a good thing. Not a lot, but a little bit. This is fairly new. I'm not going to reuse that, but we'll change this. But this will just move up and get it out of the way. I may even turn the boiler around and put it right here on this side. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm going to shut this off. Chimney is just about plugged. So we're going to clean that out. Got to clean that out. That's back in. And we're operating. I don't see any power to this. Why don't I have any power to this? That other one wasn't hooked up. Yeah, we took care of that. Nothing is calling on this, but it is over there. That's for the radiant system. Got that done. Readjusted the thermostat. And we'll wait and watch it come up to temperature. A few old timers. This aquastat's so old that it doesn't have a printed circuit board. It's actually done with wires, but finally gave up the ghost. A lot of times I pull that apart and the printed circuit board, you can see a spot where it's burnt, but I don't see anything here. But nevertheless, it wasn't putting power, so it had to be in the relay, inside the relay itself. So that's pretty much it, other than we wait for it to come up to temperature and see where it shuts off. There we go. We're good. Again, Radiant baseboard. 4mm tubing. These zone valves are only available in one spot in the Northeast that I'm aware of. And I was able to get these for the supply and make this manifold up for when I put the new boiler in. So, but I'm thinking about bringing the new boiler over here. And nice fresh supply of fresh air, and go right up into the chimney and open this up here and just bring the piping around to it. That'll give me room to hang everything that we're gonna have to hang this can go up here and out of the way. This manifold here. So that's it. All right, we're all done there. Changed the aquastat, came up the temperature, shut off where it should. Cleaned up some of that wiring that was in there. And that's quite a system with those zone valves in that. There, like I say, there's only one supplier in the Northeast, and that was over in Springfield, Massachusetts, that I was able to get that stuff. I found it online. Stuff's always expensive, always hard to get. That 4mm PEX tubing is something in itself to have to deal with. But anyway, we're going to be changing the boiler in May. So once we do that, we can kind of clean up some of the piping around there. And I would imagine at some point that baseboard's going to have to be changed. Maybe not. That stuff, Danex is the name of the company that put that in. They put a few of them in around here in the Northeast. I've got another customer that has that system in a bed and breakfast. And he has a lot of parts. He bought out, when Danex went out of business, he bought out a whole bunch of stuff that they had. So, I can always pick up a fitting or two down there from him, but I don't like to if I don't have to. I like to buy it new if I can, and which I can, but it's, I got to go through another distributor. I can't buy direct from this outfit, so I have to go through somebody else that can buy from them, and it's it's a pain right in the neck. So anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the subscribe button and the like button, and please leave comments down below. I like to read your comments, and I'll try and read them all, and I'll respond to them if I can. Thanks. Have a good day.